Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you I built out a FFMPG video editor directly in the browser using Node.js Express. And this is the actual video editor. So here you simply select whatever video file that you want to edit. You can directly edit this, simply select the video and drag the video on the timeline section. And you can play the video as you can see in the video player. And then we have a bunch of options. We can trim, split the video. So if you want to trim the video, you basically right click and it comes with all these sliders out there. So it makes it easy for you to trim the necessary part of the video. So it's entirely built inside HTML, Node.js and Express. So this is the full directory structure. All the source code files are fully customizable. So you can directly purchase the full source code. The link is given in the description. And if I show you the package.json file, it's entirely built inside Node.js and Express. And all the code is fully customizable. These are all the FFmpeg WebAssembly libraries. So the link is given. After you purchase it, you will get the source code from Google Drive. And this is the JavaScript code here, fully customizable. And here you actually use these sliders here to actually trim out the necessary portion. And after you are done, you simply click the done button and then you click the render button to actually start the processing. So once you click this button, the FFmpeg processing will start, and after that you will see the download button, and you simply click the download button to actually download the output video file. So it's a fully fledged video editor project, which is there. It will save you a lot of time because it directly executes it in the browser. So we are running this application locally. So it's also very easy for you to deploy this as well. So the link is given in the description, guys. You can directly purchase this project, and it's a single page application. You can even change the quality of the video as well. So here from the drop down, you can select whatever dimensions here, and you can change the quality of the video as well. And also you can split the video into multiple sections. So you right click, simply split the video. So just select the mouse at this location, just click right click split, and here you can split a long video into multiple parts. So it's really easy. You can do the splitting, trimming of the video. So it's a timeline based editor. So if you're interested in this, the link is given in the description.